OpenOffice Writer 4.1 using electronic forms. You can create a form by starting with a template and adding content controls, including checkboxes, text boxes, and date pickers. In this example, we're going to add controls to complete the patient details form. I've opened the patient details template. To display the Form Controls toolbar, select View Toolbars, Form Controls. You can now insert the text control next to first name by selecting Text Box, drawing in the required text box, and double-clicking on the control to give it the correct name. First name. We can add a third checkbox option to title by selecting the checkbox option from the Form Controls toolbar, drawing in the checkbox, double-clicking the control, changing it to Doctor, and the label to Doctor. As you can see, you now have a third checkbox. To add a second option next to Married, we're going to use the Option button from the Form Control toolbar, draw in the option, double-click, give it an appropriate name, an appropriate label, in this case no. Lastly, we're going to insert the date picker. To view the date picker option controls, select More Controls from the toolbar, select the date field, and draw in the date field control. Double click on it, give it appropriate name, and change the minimum date to be the earliest date, in this case a patient could be born, which we will say is in 1900, January the 1st. To have patients enter the form digitally, we would now need to export the form to a PDF by selecting File, Export as PDF. As you can see, Create PDF Form option is selected, Export, and save the form. When opening the PDF that you have created, you can see you can type in the fields as indicated.